Guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can search up your own tweets on Twitter. So there are two ways to do that. I'm just going to show you both today. Press the search button and you're going to type in from Colin, and you're going to type in your name, like your username. So mine is Drew Talks to Me. And I'm going to search hello. Oops. I forgot to, whoa. So don't put the space in. I forgot to delete that part. But as you can see, this tweet will show up. And there is actually a quicker way to do this. I just knew. I think this is new, but you're just going to go to your profile. And up here there is another search button on the top right corner, and this is where you can search your own tweets. But that is basically it. I hope the tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!